Everybody, Stephen here. I'm going to do a very quick video. I've been using this for around 6 months now, and I have approximately 150 WordPress sites which I manage in this one software. Okay, so, and this actually saves me a lot of time. I don't have to log in, log out. My VA could just do the same thing. It saves me money because when you pay a VA, when things get done quicker, you save yourself money, and it's a lot less stressful because I know, for example, all my sites are backed up. So, for example, my most favorite feature is, like an example, select 200 sites or 100 sites, tick a button here, and I come over here, and if I tick this here, it will go in and find out what WordPress needs updating, and it will update them for me. Same as themes, plugins. I can also do a manage selected sites. I can also at the same time set up for it to back up all my blogs, WordPress blogs, on a weekly basis. I actually use Amazon S3, but you can use FTP, you can use all sorts of places where you can actually back your sites up. You can do it daily if you want to, but I actually set it up for weekly. It also has a great feature, for example, where you can actually post, make up a post in here, and you can post to all your blogs. You can set up your WordPress security. So there's pretty much, you can do everything to manage your sites you can do in here. So what I do is I recommend you have a look at this software, because it will save you hours of time and a lot less stress. But anyway, okay, that's me for today. Thank you. Goodbye.